Hey everyone! Today, I'm sharing quick tips to grow your business using social media. Let's dive in. First, choose the right platforms. Focus on where your target audience spends most of their time: Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or TikTok. Next, optimize your profile. Use a consistent brand image and ensure your bio and contact info are up to date. Create valuable content. Share tips, tutorials, and behind-the-scenes looks to engage your audience. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages to build a loyal community. Use hashtags wisely. Pick relevant hashtags to increase your visibility without overdoing it. Finally, analyze and adjust. Use analytics to see what works and refine your strategy. That's it for today. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Thanks for watching.